Hello driving intelligence community. Here's a quick tip for you if you want to put a HomeLink garage door opener system that's OEM on your 10th generation F-150. Notice I have two sun visors that have the integrated HomeLink. This one's a little different from this one. They both will fit in F-150s with one difference. The difference being the connection to the headliner or the roof line. This one has a side-to-side screw-in pattern, whereas this one has a front-to-back. I've only noticed this on my two 2002 F-150s that have this front-to-back version. This is the only one that will work on my F-150, and this style is extremely hard to find. I've looked. These are much more plentiful, especially if you're looking at Navigators or Expeditions, and it even comes with the integrated sun visor. Multi-visor actually, two sun visors. So when you're looking for these and if you want to put it in that's already integrated into the sun visor, then make sure that you know what it's bolting into. They are definitely different. Thanks for watching. Please give me that thumbs up and please subscribe.